In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to get the dot leaders and the page numbers to align properly on the right side. So we're going to begin just with a heading here. And then what TIE requires is that the page numbers line up evenly on the right margin and the dot leaders line up evenly on the right side. Now the only way to do this in Times New Roman, which is the Trinity font, is to change over here, this square here, which says left tab, by clicking 2 times and then changing it into a right tab. So we're going to set 2 right tabs. We want one right on the margin, the right margin, but if we try to click there, Word won't let us. So we just click to the left somewhere and then click on this one and drag it right to the margin. And this will be the tab for our page numbers. And then we're going to come back a little ways, say about this line here, and set another one. And this is going to be for our dot leaders. Once we've set those, we can just tab 2 times, and that will put us on the right margin. And then we can put our page number, and then just come and click back on this other right tab, and then just run our dot leaders. I'm just going to use periods, and run them all the way back to our heading. So we see they run right to left. And then if we come down to the next line, and we want to do our subheading, so then we can just click and type our subheading here. And of course we want to indent our subheading, so we're going to just take this little square here and drag it over 1/2 inch. And then come to our subheading, and again we see our tabs are set, so we just tab 2 times, put in our page number, and then come back to our other tab, run our dots back. And if we do that, we see that our page numbers are lining up very evenly right on the margin, and the dot leaders are lining up evenly here on this right side. Now, this is just a warning to you. If you set your table of contents up at the beginning with these tabs, it will retain them as you build your table of contents. If you build your table of contents before, you'll have to come back and set these tabs for every line that you already have in your document. So it's a very good idea to set these tabs at the very beginning of creating your table of contents and not at the end.